Hi friends, welcome to Konexio Technical Insight. I am Rahul Randeria and I will be conducting today's show. Today we would be discussing regarding the trends, the setups, the technical indicators, the candlestick patterns and derivative data of Nifty, Bank Nifty, as well as the different asset classes. Now first of all, a general disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Consult your financial advisor before investing and trading. Now let us just have a brief what we have discussed in our last video. In our last video, we have mentioned that the undertone of the market of the bullish is bullish. The larger degree trend is positive. Some sort of cool off cannot be ruled out, but that cool off or that should be bought at the lower levels. And we had a strategy of buy and dips for the last week, and exactly market performed on our expected lines, and market did see some sort of cool off, and after that it started rallying slowly and gradually throughout the week. And on the weekend it ended on a flat to positive note on the weekly charts. I mean to say week on week basis. So friends, let us go to the Nifty daily charts and we'll try to figure out what is the patterns and what could be the trend for the next week. Now let me take you to, yeah, this is the Nifty daily charts. Now the Nifty daily charts, you can clearly see that already Nifty has been moving in this expanding triangle, which we have already drawn since last couple of months, and it is already hovering into that particular pattern. The potential of this particular is this upward resistance trend line, which is coming around almost around 23,800, 23,900. Maybe it will take some time. Maybe in next 3 to 4 months we will see Nifty testing those levels. But as of now, you can clearly see charts are. I mean to say, Nifty has closed first time at its lifetime high. You can clearly see RSI. I have studied this RSI. RSI is also positive with positive signals in comfortable zone. Let me stretch this chart. This is the daily charts. The only things which I would like to say is that on Thursday it has formed a kind of a long-legged doji. On Friday it failed to challenge its highs of Thursday's highs, but it was an inside day indecisive candle. So looking at this particular pattern uh, on daily charts, a cool off, some sort of profit booking or some sort of sideways correction or some sort of downside cannot be ruled out, but that should be used as a buying opportunity. Now let me go to the weekly charts. Now here on the weekly chart, you can clearly see it has again formed an indecisive candle, though it is a bullish candle, but it is an indecisive. It has been a range bound candle. So the trend deciding level for the Nifty would be the highs of Thursday, which is 22,619. If Nifty crosses those levels, then one should go long, or else one should wait for some corrections and then try to build long positions at the lower levels. So friends, this is the chart pattern which we have seen. So looking at this particular pattern, we feel that buy on dips should be the strategy. So now let us discuss the important supports and resistance level in Nifty for the next week. The first support in the Nifty is placed around 22,247, 427. Second support is placed at 22,303, and third support is placed around 22,190. On the upside, the first resistance is around 22,619, which is the lifetime high. If it breaks, then next resistance is around 22,758, and third resistance is around 22,898. These are the crucial supports and resistance level. Traders should just try to watch out this level. I would suggest buy on supports and sell on resistance, or book profits on resistance, or buy on dips should be the strategy for the next week. But looking at this inside day candle, I feel that a cool off cannot be ruled out. Now, one more thing I would like to suggest is I would like to show you the Dow Jones daily charts. The American markets, where I have seen a sharp, you can see a pullback after a sharp correction. So maybe some sort of cool off cannot be ruled out, but the only thing is that the Dow Jones market have already broken this rising channel, but again it is trying to enter this particular rising channel. So for 1 or 2 days we need to see the US markets also, specifically on Monday and Tuesday. So if Dow Jones crosses almost say 39,430, then we might see again the upward journey to be continued. Till then, it would trade highly cautious, highly volatile. So that might impact our Indian markets also. So that is the reason why I am suggesting that a cool off cannot be ruled out. So one needs to be cautious. One should wait for some dips and then one should go long at the lower levels. So friends, now let us discuss the derivative data of Bank Nifty, Nifty calls. In Nifty calls, you can clearly see the action was seen in 22,600 calls, 22,700 calls, 22,800 and 22,900 calls. Yeah, here you can see rise in the open interest, rise in the volumes. There has been a slightly drop in the option premium, which clearly indicates that some quantum of smart money is into writing the calls, but that is not that much significance. And as I said, 22,619 or 22,620, which is the lifetime high, would be the immediate resistance. And here also you can clearly see that on 22,600 there has been a strong volume concentration as well as the open interest concentration. So one needs to Nifty to break 22,620 and then try to build long positions for the upside target of maybe between 22,800 to 22,900 in the coming trading sessions. So looking at this particular data, IBs are also in comfort zone, so nothing to worry about it. But a small or slight cool off cannot be ruled out. Now, friends, let us discuss the Nifty put data. In Nifty puts, the action was seen in 22,400 puts, 22,300, 22,200, and 22,100 puts. Now here you can see there has been a rise in the open interest, rise in the volumes. The premiums are flat to slightly negative. Implied volatility is still in comfortable zone between 11.41 and 13.22. Here you can see the immediate resistance is around 22,000. Immediate support is around 22,400. If Nifty breaks and closes below these levels, then Nifty might slightly slip down. I mean to say it might correct towards the level of 22,300 and 22,250. Now that would be the area where one should go long, or I would consider between 22,300 to 22,250 as an ideal level to build long positions at the lower levels. So overall, looking at the charts and derivative data of Nifty, the strategy should be buy on dips for next week. Now friends, let us discuss the Bank Nifty daily charts. On Bank Nifty daily charts, we have discussed that Bank Nifty has already broken the falling channel. It is way above the breakout zone. It is just near its lifetime high. And maybe on Monday, we might see Bank Nifty testing the lifetime high, and then some sort of cool off or some sort of profit booking cannot be ruled out. Here, RSI is also positive, but it might enter slightly overbought zone. But this doesn't mean that it cannot go in or further higher in the overbought zone. There are areas during December time where Bank Nifty has already traded positively in the overbought zone. But looking at this particular data, or I feel that once Bank Nifty tests its lifetime high, we might see some sort of profit booking. But that profit booking should be used as a buying opportunity. But overall chart seems to be very positive. Sooner rather than later, Bank Nifty will cross lifetime high, and again it might start rallying towards the level of 50,000, which is a psychological mark of the Bank Nifty, and it would be in the history of Bank Nifty that these levels could be tested in the coming days or weeks. So friends, now let us discuss the important supports and resistance level in Bank Nifty for the next week. The first support in the Bank Nifty is placed around 48,254 is the first support. Below that, the second support is placed around 47,894 is the second support, and third support is around 47,676. On the upside, the first resistance is around 48,636. Above that, The next resistance is around 48,936, and third resistance is around 49,238. These are the crucial supports and resistance level in Bank Nifty. The strategy should be again buy on dips. After testing the lifetime high, we might see some sort of cool off or profit booking, but that profit booking should be used as a buying opportunity. And traders should just watch out this particular support resistance level, and strategy should be buy near the supports, crucial supports, and sell or book profits near the resistance level. Again buy, again sell around the next resistance level. This should be the strategy for the next week. So friends, now let us discuss the derivative data of Bank Nifty calls. In Bank Nifty calls, the action was seen in 48,500 calls, 49,000 calls, and 49,500 calls. Now here you can see there has been a significant rise in the option premiums, that is positive on the positive way. Implied volatility is slightly higher, but not in danger zone. But if it opens with a positive gap, then it might go in a danger zone, and which might bring in profit booking at the higher levels. So one needs to be cautious at the higher levels in Bank Nifty. There has been a rise in the open interest, rise in the volumes. On immediate basis, 48,500 could act as an immediate resistance. If it breaks, then there are chances that Bank Nifty might rally towards the level of 49,000. And again, if it closes above those levels, then 49,500 is imminent in the coming days. So looking at this particular data, as of now, charts and this data is positive. But as I said, see, it is slightly overbought. A cool off cannot be ruled out. Now, friends, now let us discuss the derivative data of Bank Nifty puts. In Bank Nifty puts, the action was seen in 48,200 puts, 48,500, 47,500 puts. Now here you can clearly see it is a significant drop in the option premium. That means smart money is already aggressively writing the out of the money calls. You can clearly see the implied volatility is slightly higher. It is between 13.27 and 15.76. On immediate basis, the crucial supports are placed around 48,200 mark. You can see the strong volume concentration as well as the uh, OI concentration. So this could act as a strong support. So I feel that between 46,200 and 48,200 and 48,000, Bank Nifty might take some support, some cool off if there is some sort of profit booking coming in at the higher levels. And this is the area between 48,200 to 48,000 where one can again go long for the swing trading purpose. So there has been a put writing which is clearly indicating that the data is positive, but as I said, a cool off cannot be ruled out, but that should be used as a buying opportunity. Overall, looking at to the Nifty charts and derivative data of both the indices, the overall strategy, I would like to again say that buy on dips should be useful for the traders. Now, friends, let us come to the final segment of our show, which is positional call. I have identified one stock. Name of the stock is Tata Elxsi. Now, this is the charts of Tata Elxsi. Now, you can clearly see the stock has been moving in this particular rising channel, making higher tops, higher bottoms. And after a consolidation of almost 1 month, more than 1 month, it has given a breakout supported with strong volumes. It has just closed above this particular breakout. You can clearly see the upward resistance of this stock is around 9,200, 9,200. Currently, the stock is quoting around 8,041. You can see the price volume action is also positive. Indicators are also positive. RSI is showing strong positive divergence. You can clearly see when prices were going sideways, RSI is making higher top, higher bottom. So clearly the stock has potential to rally decently from these levels. So swing traders, positional traders, long-term investors, short-term investors can watch out this stock for investment purpose, for short-term trading purpose also. So those traders or investors can accumulate the stock in the range of 8,041 and on corrections to 7,900 for an upside positional target of 9,200 in short to medium term. Short to medium term means maybe next 3 to 4 months, the stock has potential to test the levels of maybe 9,200. 200 marks. Between a journey from 8,000 to 900, 9,200, there might be hiccups, there might be ups and downs, but looking at this particular setup, we feel that stock has very good potential to give decent return in the coming months. So definitely this stock should be on the investment radar. So friends, let us conclude the show. Thank you very much for watching the show. Any suggestion you can give in the comment box, and have a nice trading week. Thank you.